welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a little piece of a rumba choreography. So your weight starts on the right foot. You do a cucaracha to the left, replace to the right, bring your left foot in, switch your weight. Then you go side, close, side, followed by a spot turn. Left foot crosses, stay on that left foot, replace to the right, and from here do a side step on the left. Nice. Let's see that again from the beginning. Start with your feet together and stroke the foot to the side. Replace to the right and close. Then we go side, close, side, followed by a spot turn, and replace, and side. Nice. Now let's see that with counts. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Cool. Let's move on. From here, we'll do a back walk. 2, 3. Back walk. 4, 1. From here, your right foot is going to do a circle around and you're going to close. Okay, so again, we finish our spot turn and our weight's on the left. Going back, 2, 3, back, 4, 1. This is 2, 3, hold 4, 1. Nice. And again, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is 2, 3, hold 4, 1. Nice. Let's move on. Here we go. 2, 3, and one more walk. 4, 1. Then we're ready to go from the beginning in our cucaracha. Okay, so let's see just the second part one more time after the spot turn. So we'll finish spot turn 4, 1, back 2, 3, back 4, 1. From here close 2, 3, 4, 1. Walk forward 2, 3. Walk forward 4, 1. All the way from the beginning. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, back 2, 3, back 4, 1, close 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So we have quite a bit of time in those walks at the end. So what I want you to really focus on during those parts is how can you articulate through your toes, your feet, your ankles, your calves, your knees, into your thighs and into your hips. So you make those movements really deliberate. All right? So from the top, one more time. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Nice. Now let's do it with some music. Music, please. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, begin. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, Great job. Hey, every moment that you have in this life, you dance it, dance it, dance it. And so if you didn't get that, then just practice. And most of all, always remember, have fun. I'm LiWen from Dance Sandy, and I will see you in the next video.